This is at Brattleboro Memorial Hospital. They're saying over the scanner that they can't find any fire or smoke, but somebody must have reported something. That's cool. They got red, white, blue lights on the ladder truck. See the guy up there now coming back down, right there. But it takes a while to hook the hose up. I was parked up there where the guy was hooking the hose to the fire hydrant. It's a good 10 minutes of work before they can get water going into it. You don't realize stuff like that. Something does smell funny though. Almost like a plastic burning or something. It definitely smells funny. Rescue truck. They had the ladder over on that roof first, then they swung it over to this roof. Brat PD just arrived. Looks like they got a headlight out on their cruiser up there. That's a police officer right there.
Can you make sure we got full complement coverage Central Station 2? I'll check it and see if we have coverage for Central Station 2.
Looks like Brat PD is leaving. He's suiting up.
for coverage. Looking for more. Yes, thank you.
He's going in with his tank on.
Priority dispatch on any available personnel for your other dispatch for a callback. Again, any available personnel for your other dispatch for a callback. Cover the 2120.
I thought that was a rescue truck, but it's not. It's a fire truck. Fire truck pickup. I think this is all precautionary at this point because I don't believe they found any fire. And the one guy that was up there earlier, before I started the video, said he couldn't even smell any smoke or anything in there. Obviously, they have to make 100% certain it is a hospital. The guy right there in the blue shirt is the one that hooked up the fire hose to the fire hydrant. Fire hydrants way up there by where the cruiser is. Actually, that's what he's doing, keeping cars from coming down from the fire hydrant down this way. But I guess I've seen enough for now. I'm not going to get a dash while I'm recording. Oh, no delivery. Oh, I am going to get one. I didn't hear it though. I see